So really what it is, it's a non-visual museum tour where you're going to be described to with your eyes closed, and the idea is that you keep your eyes closed for the entire tour until your guide tells you to open them. I really think of this more as like time in which we're intentional time spent with your eyes closed, time where you're exercising your non-visual senses. Sometimes I pick up shapes and colors, so right now I'm just getting like these really twinkling sort of lights from, like that's the effect that they're, my visual fields are creating. And they again just remind me of Christmas lights, where I'm not sure how the string is strung, but I know that there are only a few bulbs on it. The acoustic space is just a little bit different here than it was back there when the space was opened up. So I'm just going to have you be aware of kind of like how the acoustic space is changing as we're moving. I don't feel comfortable identifying myself as blind is because, like, you know, you look for synonyms for the word blind and like they include things like careless, like imperceptive, you know, unknowing, all these, you know, seeing is believing, right? And we have all these ways of like understanding vision in our culture that is connected to knowledge. But I think what we just did, we closed our eyes and we realized that there was just so much more to discover. Okay, and we're right in front of the work now on our own. And I'm gonna ask you to, in 3, 2, 1, open your eyes.